Just if you're curious the Office access key how could be more complex, I give you a few examples. If I press Alt or Option A, as you remember on the previous video, I told you if you press C, still you have continue. After C, we have two keys as an example. If I press C, it will select the entire column, and Alt or Option A, then press C, and if I press R, it will select entire row. And we have far more than this and getting so complicated, which I don't recommend you go so deep. Instead of increasing your speed, in this case actually I think getting so complex. But one more example I want to show you. I press Alt or Option A and then press A again and then press F. It is setting to auto fit. I undo that to once more, Alt or Option A, then A for auto and F for fit. It is logical, but because it is getting so complicated, I think these shortcuts are enough for you. Still, if you're interested, you could search about Office access keys. There are many combinations. You could find out more.